Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of chemical kinetics. After seeing order of the reaction, we will come to molecularity, elementary reaction, and what is the relation between order and molecularity of elementary reaction. Students, the molecularity of a reaction means the total number of the reactant molecules which are taking part in a single step. Elementary reaction means a reaction which takes place in a single step. Suppose there is a complex reaction which consists of series of reaction steps, and each of this single step is called elementary reaction. Let us define one by one each of these terms. The next topic in our textbook is molecularity of elementary reaction after order of the reaction. So I already said molecularity क्या है? The total number of the reactant molecules which participate in a single step. And what we mean by elementary reaction? A reaction which takes place in a single step. Let us first define elementary reaction, take out its example, and then we will come to molecularity. So I am writing elementary reaction क्या है, पहले हम वो देख लेते हैं. Elementary reaction is a reaction that takes place in a single step. मतलब जो सिंपल रिएक्शंस होते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं elementary reaction. A reaction which takes place in a single step and hence it cannot be broken down into simpler reactions. क्योंकि वो खुद ही सबसे सिंपल है ना, तो उसको फर्दर हम सिंपल रिएक्शंस में डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Such a reaction is called elementary reaction. Let us take example. If I am having suppose ozone, O3, it breaks down into oxygen and oxygen. This is oxygen molecule and this is oxygen atom. If you have C2H5I, it is breaking or decomposing to give you C2H4, that is ethene, and it forms HI. So these two are the simple reactions which take place in the single step and they cannot be broken down into further simpler reactions. Such reactions are called elementary reactions. Now we come to molecularity. What is molecularity in one line? The molecularity of an elementary reaction is defined as number of reactant molecules. मतलब टोटल रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स कितने पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं एक सिंगल स्टेप में या एलिमेंट्री रिएक्शन में इज कॉल्ड molecularity. The number of the reactant molecules which take part in the reaction is called the molecularity of that reaction. जैसे ये वाला एग्जाम्पल जो था ना, दोनों में 1 reactant molecules थे. So they were said to be unimolecular reactions. If I am having examples of bimolecular reactions, I will take ozone reacting with one oxygen atom. It gives you 2 molecules of oxygen. Now you can see that there are 2 reactants, एक ओजोन और एक ऑक्सीजन एटम. सो द molecularity is 2 and such reactions are called bimolecular reaction. And if I am having 2 moles of NO2 decomposing to nitric oxide and oxygen, this is also bimolecular reaction and the molecularity is 2. Because here though there is the same or single reactant, लेकिन उसके molecules कितने react हो रहे हैं 2. So this is also said to be bimolecular reaction जिसका molecularity 2 होगा. Reactions जिनके molecularity या तो 2 होते हैं या 1 होते हैं, they are only common. इससे ज़्यादा molecularity in a chemical reaction is very rare. because 3 or 4 reactants to combine is not generally possible. Yes, now we come to the relation between order and molecularity. क्या order और molecularity हमेशा same होते हैं या different होते हैं? That is what we want to know. So for this, let us consider a simple reaction. Means let us take an elementary reaction of NO2 decomposing to 2NO and 1 oxygen. We have seen this reaction just now. Now the rate law for this reaction will be written as what? Rate is equal to K NO2 raised to 2. I hope you remember rate law में हम rate लिखते हैं, rate constant लिखते हैं और concentration of the reactant लिख के उसके ऊपर क्या लिखते हैं? उसका order. Right? Order with respect to NO2 is what? 2. So this shows that the reaction is second order and it is bimolecular क्योंकि दो molecules react हुए किसके? NO2 के. This is showing us the order and this shows us the molecularity. Right? So we can say order of the reaction is 2 and the molecularity of the reaction is also 2. Right? Consider one more example. Suppose ये example 1 था. If I consider one more example of C2H5 ethyl iodide decomposing to ethene and giving you HI. Okay. Now the rate law for this reaction is given in this way. Rate is proportional to concentration of C2H5I only. मैंने पहले भी बोला था आपको, अगर यहाँ कुछ नहीं लिखा है मतलब the order is first. So the reaction is unimolecular as you can say क्योंकि एक ही molecule react हुआ ethyl iodide का. The reaction is unimolecular and it is first order. Means the molecularity is 1 and the order of the reaction is 1. Right? However, students, order and molecularity may not be same in some examples. तो ये दोनों एग्जाम्पल ने तो क्या बताया कि ऑर्डर एंड मॉलिक्युलैरिटी आर सेम. बट रिमेंबर, order and molecularity may be same or they may not be same also. These two examples are given in the textbook, but I am telling you one example where the order and molecularity are not matching. Because it is the fact कि order और molecularity same हो सकता है और same नहीं भी हो सकता है. ये दोनों examples ने कैसे बताया कि order और molecularity same है. Now we will see one example where the order and molecularity are not same. Okay, so I am taking CH3COOC2H5. You must be knowing COO is ester. So this is ethyl acetate. ये ester का नाम क्या है? Ethyl acetate. And when you do hydrolysis of the ester, what are the products? You get acid and alcohol back. Acid और alcohol combine होते हैं तो हमें ईस्टर मिलता है. द रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एस्टरिफिकेशन. बट इफ यू डू हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ ईस्टर इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिडिक मीडियम, यू गेट योर एसिड एंड अल्कोहल बैक. रिएक्शन इज बाय मॉलिक्यूलर. यू कैन सी क्योंकि दो मॉलिक्यूल्स रिएक्ट हो रहे हैं. रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स एक तो ईस्टर है और एक वाटर है. तो मॉलिक्यूलैरिटी इज 2. बट रिमेंबर, this is having order is equal to 1. Order इसका first order है. Why? Because water is present in excess. So the concentration of the water is not affecting the rate of the reaction. The rate of the reaction is depending only upon the concentration of the ester. So though the reaction is bimolecular, it is first order reaction. So this example shows us that order and molecularity are not same. जबकि पहले जो 2 एग्जाम्पल्स हमने देखे थे वहाँ पे ऑर्डर और मॉलिक्यूलैरिटी सेम थे. सो वी कंक्लूड दैट ऑर्डर and molecularity may be same or they may not be same. Students, next time we will see what we mean by rate determining step.